Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to activate Zaxby gift card. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Zaxby's, you can use our link in the description below so you can get discounts and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So what you're going to do now is to contact the Zaxby's customer service. So you might go to this page right here, Zaxby's that contact US, and yeah, that's it. So after you go to this website, you will see their general contact information. If you scroll down, as you can see that you can contact their customer service on Monday to Sunday, 10 a.m. Easter time to 9:30 p.m. Easter time, and you can use this number and you can contact this phone number and call someone from the Zaxby's customer support and address your problem that you want to activate your Zaxby's gift card. And yeah, that's it. So after that, they will help you to activate your Zaxby's gift card, or they will activate it themselves for you. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can activate your Zaxby's gift card. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.